Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Sandra and this is my channel, and what I do here is a lifestyle, cleaning, motherhood, and a touch of beauty. So today's video is gonna be doing a gallery wall on my formal dining room side. Let me just show you right now what wall it is that I want to do. Let's go check it out. So as you can see, this is the wall right here. All I have right here is just like this cabinet, and then I keep a bin that has to go like upstairs. Usually I keep it like by the stairs or right here at the bottom by the little cabinet. So yes, and this is the wall that I want to do. I'm not sure how wide it is, but so I have a few things. Let me show you what they are. So right now I just have everything laid out on my dining room table. And when I lay out everything on the floor, this is what I'm gonna use to supposedly be his picture. So I can have a visual of his picture supposedly like on the floor, but I just don't wanna take down that big old thing. So we're gonna start organizing things on the floor and just seeing how they look, so we can have a visual look of how it's gonna go on the wall as well. So here we are, just starting, just laying out things to get a visual of how it's gonna look on the wall, just in case I am not committing to anything by commanding it on the wall or nailing it. And the reason why I say commanding is because I do use command strips, so my wall is not looking like Swiss cheese with holes all over it. So as you can see, the little one, she really wanted to help, but I was just not having it this day. I just did not want her breaking anything. So it was just like, sit down in your little chair. And she was like, no, Mom, I want to do what you're doing. So now we're just gonna go over to the wall, start clearing everything out, cleaning off this little cabinet, cleaning on the side of it, and just giving me a nice clean space to work with, so I don't have to do all the cleaning afterwards. So now this is the way I hang my pictures. I use some type of tape or painter's tape, and I just pull it across the whole canvas or picture frames equally, and I use a permanent marker to dot where the nail is gonna go. So this is what I'm doing here. I'm making sure both sides are completely even. So, and then also too, what I like about this technique, it also, like, when you used the tape to put it on the wall, you kind of have a visual of where the picture frame is going to go, because the tape is pretty much taking up the space. Obviously not the whole entire space, but it gives you an idea of how it's going to look up there. The kids are home from school at this point, so you're going to see them like running up and down stairs, and my oldest does help me too. But as we put the tape up on the wall, I use my leveler and I just go across the whole tape to make sure that it's leveled. I use what is this measuring tape, and I lock it in, and I'm just running it across the whole entire ceiling just to make sure it is even, because nobody wants a crooked canvas on their wall. So we're just gonna nail these nails in. And once you have the nails on where they're supposed to go, you just rip off the tape and just set the canvas right on there. Yep. Nails in, tape is off. Then we just put the canvas on there. We're going to set the leveler on top of there as well, just to make sure it is completely even. So we're going in with the next side. We're going to go ahead and put the eat up there. And I do this whole tape technique of putting it on there and pretty much marking it and putting it on the wall with a lot of the picture frames, especially if they have like the two parts where you need to put the nail, not the single nail, because you know you want your stuff even. You don't want it crooked. So I found this what works for me, and it's super easy. So this next sign is a little galvanized sign. It's attached with a twine string on there, and to pretty much hide the nail, instead of just nailing on the nail onto the wall and just hanging it on the nail, I hammer the nail into the twine string, and you cannot see it. It just looks like it's hanging straight off of there. And so it's not dangling everywhere either. I also put a command strip right on the back of it, so it just stays right in place. And small signs like this "and," I just use a command strip just to save me a nail hole. Slap that on the wall, and yeah, no nail, and it's gonna stay put. It's not gonna move. For this next one, we are gonna start doing the fork and the spoon. Now that one was pretty tricky for me. I was struggling, but what my daughter helped me do here, I just measured like how high and low I want, you know, the fork and the spoon to go, and I want it to be right across from this, pretty much like a window picture frame. Wanted it across from there, like the same length, the same level, I'm trying to say. So what I used was a piece of chalk to mark off where I want it to be, because you know, chalk is so easy. Just wipe it off, or you could use like a wet paper towel and it wipes right off. Like you don't have to worry about it staining the wall or anything. So I just drew it on with the chalk, and then I just leveled it, and I was like, yep, really good. And same thing with here. I used the little paint tape, put it on there from the bottom to the top of where the hole is at. Put a little marking in there. And also what I did too, because these are supposed to be hanging pretty much upside down with the spoon and the fork facing down. And what I did with these to help them stay is right behind the fork side that would go into your mouth, I put a command strip, so when it's on the wall, yes, here I am dancing right there. For what reason? I was just super excited I was getting this done, but also too, I was listening to some good jams on Pandora. But yes, I put a command strip behind the spoon and behind the fork, so they're not swinging everywhere, or the fork is not like gonna fly upside down or anything. So that's why I put the command strip, and it works great. So here's when I realized that I put the nail too far into the wall, and I had to like bring it out some. And as you can see, I was like going back and forth with this stupid fork. It was annoying me.
So I was like, okay, I need to re-put this back in there, but I need to make sure it's not it's not too far in or too far out. But I was just like, at this moment, I was like, please stay there, please don't fall. So this is when I'm gonna put the galvanized, what am I talking about? The command strip right on the back of the fork, and just stick that right on there. Here comes a little one, being all nosy. What is mommy doing? What can I grab? What can I touch? My face was like literally up against this dumb wall. Oh my gosh, I was so happy once I was done. It's like, finally, it's over with.
Okay guys, so this is a finished wall. I love it. I'm really obsessed with it. And I just love how it came out. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below if you like the way it came out, or if you think I should like fill those spots, but I don't want to make it look too cluttered. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, now the next thing that we're gonna do is fix this mama jamma right there. So let's get that started. Okay guys, so this is all I have for the little table for now. I thought I had bought more things to go on there, but I guess I didn't. I just added this pumpkin wired basket that I got from Target, and I put the Hobby Lobby fillers in there. Here I keep my doTERRA oil diffuser, and I just put those cute little trees on there. So what do you guys think for now? Give me ideas of what to put on this table, because I swear I thought I bought more stuff, but I guess I'm just going crazy. So yeah, what you guys think of their turnout a little bit? I love it. I still need to put 2 pictures right there, but I love the way it looks. So I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.